What is up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you had a great Memorial Day weekend. Yesterday's price action was very choppy and very slow. I did have two trades, actually three trades, two winners and one break even. Today's pretty much the same thing. It's very choppy, very slow. It's a shame though, because we do have this nice move down overnight, and then we just go sideways when the market opens, which is typical, right? That's the usual thing. But let's talk about the coupons codes real quick. So Bullnox they don't give me a heads up on the coupon codes or anything like that. I have to check this like almost every day. It becomes actually almost twice a day, because again, I don't get a heads up or anything like that. So it's very difficult to keep up with the coupon. Yesterday they had a nice little sale for 25k account for only $4, and again, I didn't get a heads up. It was only 2-day sale, which is like weird, but whatever. But here's what I'm looking at, right now for the coupon codes, and you probably can't see it because my face is in the way. But I make this smaller so you can see it. Okay, so the 50k, the option 1 and 2, it's basically 90-ish% off until the 31st. This is the coupon code right here. If you don't like trailing drawdown, you can do end of day option if you wanted to. Of course, the 75% off for all other accounts with option 2s as well. This is a coupon code, and they do have a 250k discount as well. But the problem with this one is, yes, it's cheaper than Apex. This one's actually $15 and Apex is around 18. But the problem with this one is the activation fee is still the same, so there's really no point of getting that. I mean, Apex activation fee is $85 and you can't beat that. Of course, 90% off for the option 1 accounts, Elite 90, and of course, I don't even know why they have the 83% off. That's just like, what's the point of these two? Anyways, but here's the codes. Use them, and I do believe that the Apex expires on the 31st or 30th. Don't quote me, I don't know. Yeah, there's some options for you guys. That's that. So my trades, right? So the account looking pretty steady, looking pretty good. Can't talk today. So slowly but surely we're making back to the $1,000, and then I'm really excited about increasing the contract size to 2, because even though I'm making consistent $50 a day, right, ish, it's really like difficult to kind of see the progress, right? Because I'm only making small amounts of profits, but hey, small amounts add up. So that's that. This one looking pretty straight as well. Nothing really much changed. I did start trading the normal ES, not the micros, because why not, right? And I don't have the 1000k account anymore, just because again, because of the rules that they have here, so it's not very beneficial for me to have it. But like I said, one trade on Bullnox, one trade on Apex. I am slowly start trading the Apex accounts as well, because I need to start building those up again. But pretty straightforward trades in my opinion. Like I said before, we have basically two channels working down. You do have a break here and a new low in place. I was looking to take a long here, but I don't like how congested it was, so I skipped it. I did see the second entry long here. Pretty straightforward trade, second entry long at the EMA. It's almost like a triple test as well, if you want to look at it that way. But took a point there, and then didn't really see anything else that I want to trade. This triple test right here did look tempting, but then again, you have a break new high already in place. So with this, with this huge move down, I don't know if I would have taken it. And then my second attempt to trade was this lower high here. Now I hesitated, I did not get filled, and basically when you hesitate, you don't get filled. So again, turned out to be a nice little move down. Basically, again, lower high, you do have a break. I guess you can draw a bigger channel if you wanted to, something like this, but break new high already in place, and prices start working back down. You have a nice little channel working down, you have a break, and you expect it to have a retest of these lows, which you do eventually get over here. And this is this trade. I wasn't too sure, just because we didn't really make a new high from this channel, and I did see this lower high here, so I took it. Again, it was only a point and a quarter, and just the reason that I took a 1.25 because I wasn't sure what the price was doing. That's the only reason. And yeah, I wasn't really too fond of the price action because it did start to look a little congested. So there's that. And of course you get a triple test here again. I hesitated, and of course when you hesitate you don't get filled. That's just how it is. That's the nature of the market. But yeah, it turned out to be a nice little move here too as well. Now let's talk about the Top Step real quick. So Top Step looking pretty pretty steady. I did have 2 losers on yesterday. Yes, yesterday, and that brought me down to like around negative $200. So I was around 500-ish. That was down to around 300. So actually 2 something. But these are my trades for the for Top Step. Again, it's similar trade from the excuse me, from the other chart. Basically, you can consider this a second entry long, but I did take a 1.5 here, and this trade would have been a winner, but my stop loss was too tight, and I decided to increase my stop loss to $200 instead of 150 or one. It was 125, then went up to 150. Now it's at 200, just because you need that breathing room for your trade, right? You need the trade to kind of work it out, right? And a little side note, I don't know if you guys have this issue with the Top Step platform, but my 200 EMA keeps disappearing on me. Like, oh, here it goes. So I have to move my chart to the left in order for it to show up, so it's weird. But anyways, so yeah, I increased my risk size to 200 instead of 150, and if I had this 200 risk stop here, man, I can't talk. It would have been a-okay, but I got stopped out, and then I took 2 points out of this trade, and I was pretty much done. Yeah, so a little bit unfortunate in terms of price action. It's just super choppy, super difficult to trade. And again, I wish these wicks had, or I wish these bars had wicks, because to me, in my opinion, wicks do tell you a lot of what's happening in the price action. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep trading these bars. They do work, but it's difficult. It's just every time I take a trade, I'm not sure if the trade's gonna work out or not. Like, it's, you know what I mean, you got that weird feeling. So anyways, but yeah, those are my trades for the day. Hopefully you guys were in the green. Hopefully you guys were good. And yeah, thank you all for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.